All right, let's take a look at the male external accessory organs. All right, so first is the scrotum. Right there is the scrotum. So this is an external sac that encloses the testes. Now, if we go to another picture here, there are actually two sets of muscles that are found in the scrotum. All right, the first are called the dartos muscles, which we see right here, and these can wrinkle the scrotal skin. That's actually smooth muscle. And the next are cremaster muscles, which are found right here. So those cremaster muscles can elevate the testes. So those are skeletal muscles. And both these things are going to help regulate the temperature of the testes. So if the testes are too cold, the cremaster muscles are going to contract and pull those closer to the body cavity, warming them up. If they get too cold or too warm, those muscles will loosen up and the testes will move further away from the body cavity, so as to cool them down. Next is the penis. So if we go back to this picture, here's the penis, all this. This is a male organ of copulation. It does have an internal part, which is called the root. It has an external part here called the body or shaft. All right, and then we have this glans penis right here, which is an enlarged tip. All right, around that is known as the prepuce here and here. This is commonly known as foreskin. This is often removed in circumcision. All right, now the body is made of 3 columns of erectile tissue. So 2 of these are called corpora cavernosa, and 1 is found in the glans penis and around the spongy urethra, and that is known as a corpus spongiosum. So if we go to this picture here, there's 1 column, 2 columns of that corpora cavernosa, and you can see that corpus spongiosum there. Now, the erectile tissue is connective tissue and smooth muscle, and it's riddled with vascular pores, so allowing blood to enter there. All right? So let's take a look at male sexual response. So an erection is the enlargement and stiffening of the penis. And this is caused by sexual stimulation of one kind or another, and this causes the release of nitric oxide. So nitric oxide is released by actually our hypothalamus. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator that causes the arterioles within the penis to fill with blood. Now, the arterioles and the veins lie side by side, so as the arteries increase, the veins get decreased, and so that reduces the vein flow of blood out of the penis. So blood accumulates then in the erectile tissues, and this makes the penises hard and erect. Now, not all mammals have what we call a hydraulic penis, which is what humans have. Some of them actually have a bone that goes into there. And so that's dogs and raccoons and bears actually have a bone that goes in there, and that's called an os penis. All right, let's take a look at ejaculation. This is a propulsion of semen from the male duct system. So here the impulses that provoke an erection reach a certain critical level. This causes a massive discharge of nerve impulses. And so here those reproductive ducts and glands are going to contract, and they're going to empty their contents. So, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, they're going to empty their contents into the urethra. And so also what's going to occur here is we have an internal urethral sphincter that contracts. That's going to stop urination from occurring. So, if the urine being acidic can kill the sperm, so we don't want that to occur. So muscles in the penis are going to undergo a series of rhythmic contractions that's going to help propel that semen. And this is accompanied by intense pleasure, which is caused by the secretion of a hormone called dopamine. So this is also followed by muscular and psychological relaxation, which is caused by the hormone oxytocin. Finally, there's a vasoconstriction of the penile arterioles, and the penis becomes flaccid. So a lot of times, male ejaculation and male orgasm, and the orgasm is actually the release of the hormones, are going to occur at the same time.